Oh, what the hell? What the hell? Let's go to the home page. What the hell? Just close it down. Screw it.
At 2:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Swiss CPI. Year-on-year forecast 0.1%, prior 0.1%, month-on-month forecast 0%, prior 0%, and core CPI year-on-year forecast 0.5%, prior 0.5%.
Yeah. I'm awake. Just about. Don't know if we're gonna get much movement before CPI. Okay, so we did drop all the way down here, which is fine. So So we took out these lows and price just kept going down. So that's interesting. I think this is going to definitely be a New York session for CPI. I don't see us doing that big of a move in all honesty, because that is a pretty big move. How many pips is that? Yeah, 60, 70. I don't expect that at all. No, nope, don't expect it. I see a lovely channel going on here though. Sexy channel. Sexy, mate. Sexy. Now this can go two ways.
2:30
We
a.m.
jump up here, sweep, and then come down.
Year on year, forecast
Or this, and this is the invalid zone, or this is a bunch of liquidity that we are going to end up ripping through to go higher.
Year on year forecast 0.5%, price 0.5%.
Hard to say. I genuinely can't differentiate at the moment. So that's a bit of a shaky one. But we will see what happens. Euros give a big indication. That candle right there looks like it's going to keep going down in euro. Thank you, USD. Brother. Okay, let's over here. That's definitely going over to New York session because it's all the way down the bottom. This we can bring up to here-ish. Then I'm just going to drag that down to there also. And drag it up down to 846. 840, 46 of course. We've got those zones there. Now we took out Asia high. Let's go to M5. This could be an invalid zone.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with Swiss CPI year on year. Still waiting for data. .1%, 0.1% as expected. Month on month, minus 0.1%, minus 0.1% lower than forecast, 0%. Still waiting for core year on year.
Okay, that was for the Swisser. I don't know if we're gonna get a move today. I really don't. It did a nice move to the upside, CHF did, so that's interesting. Let's go to GJ really quickly and just see kind of where we sit within that. Okay, so we got these lows here, and then we got these highs all the way up here, which will probably be around 4 p.m. And then obviously we've got these pretty much equal highs. I think they're all gonna fail. So this makes sense because we bounced off of the Asia midline. It makes sense that we're gonna keep going long. So the high is more closer to us, so yeah. And just wait for a clean zone basically. So you could say Asia high up here, right there. There you go. That entire zone. I'm going to mark it as M15 because why not? Oh yes, Yahya Habibi, Yahya Habibi. Hello. Bro, Amazon make me angry, man. I should have had this computer fixed and running and everything, but no, I'm still here waiting. Buying, Jared. Anyway, how are you? I'm good, but how are you? What's wrong with your computer? I'm building one, remember? And I tried to order a parcel and stuff, but it's just been a super bad experience because something happened.
Core CPI year on year, 0.5%, 0.5% as expected.
Yep. No, because the one that I want ready, it's gonna be like 3,500. And I managed to build it for about 1,600, and its values about 3. No, not RTX 90, just a 90 XT. But the RAM is so expensive anyway these days. The RAM is just $1,000 on its own, just for the RAM. You know. Okay, so I think I want to wait for price to. RAM is expensive because the game. No, because of AI. Hey, daddy. Yo, why are you gay? You are gay. Why are you gay? Where is my soundboard? Why have I opened the camera? I've opened the camera. I want to open the soundboard. Why is the camera open? Ah, you stupid. Ah, you stupid. What you doing, you stupid? Okay, soundboard is done. I'm gonna have to close webcam down because we do not need that. Done. Close you down. Go to Shamboard.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Obviously, you need to do your favorite song. You know what? It does actually make me feel a bit better. I appreciate that. Oh, bro, yeah, all of you guys come in the same time. Morning, boys. Morning, Mwangi. Morning, yeah. Morning, the dick analyst. Al-Azin, you're gay. La, akhi, I'm not gay. I'm just open-minded, akhi. You are the one who is gay because you like dick. Okay, so let's just have a look at CHF because news come out. Was it bad or Bashy moving mad gay lately? Bro, I need this computer in it. I need it. I need it. Can you guys even hear the song? It's so quiet. This is a different playlist, by the way. I don't know if it's much better. Seems okay. Hopefully they don't blank out the video. Freaky, Bashy. Bro, it's so bad when stuff gets delayed. Customer is so bad, especially when you're like, you want it, bro. I'm going to start learning AI. What do you think about it? Brother, I think it's a very good idea for you to do something different to trading. Honestly, very good idea. I think AI will be good. You can be the ulama of AI. Sheikh I. Yeah, I'll call you Sheikh I. Pounds dropping there with a bit of momentum, isn't he? Bloody dropping down with a bit of momentum, my mate. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, fucking hell, kid. Bloody dropping with a wee bit of momentum, that one is, you know. Ah, bloody, they're talking England, isn't they? In the black country. I caught gold in Asia Open. Yeah, I'm bloody seeing that, you know, kid. Looked like a nice little move. Yeah, that was a good move, bro. That you caught. I have a good idea. I want to create an AI phone charger that can white. What the hell? I don't think anyone would want to buy anything from Kurdish engineering. GBPUSD has been so disgusting as a pair, man. I don't think I'm even gonna. Do I consider taking it off of the list and just having the yen and the pound? I'm so tempted, bro. I'm really tempted. You know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna do it now. There's no point in messing around, is there? Let's just go on the 1 hour time frame. I'm just gonna get rid of CHF. It's just not been what it should be the last so many months. CHF. We're gonna drop you onto yellow, and then you can go up to Euro CHF, GBP CHF done. Right, so I got rid of Euro CHF now. I'm just gonna have to trade the thingy crosses instead. Oh, so oh bloody hell. So obviously you had that massive drop off on gold, and then so Sahad bought it on the Asia Open. Oh, silver, hello. It dropped down to 73. Oh, you dickhead. I wanted you to go down a bit more. Suppose it doesn't matter. I don't have a personal account yet anyways. Doesn't really matter, I suppose. By the way, one of the Kurdish engineers participated in building the Burj Khalifa, so yeah. That doesn't give me confidence. Anything Arab built or Middle Eastern built, I don't really think is gonna last long anyway. Buying GJ. Oh yeah. Oh, you're buying GJ, right? Okay. From right
China
now,
hopes German firms
I would like to short it.
Investment in China.
But what am I talking about? I would also like to long it. I want to see this zone fail and then try and go long. I also want to go long, probably to about the high of yesterday, which is the 80 pip move. Sits within my data as well, so that's good. Bro, I ordered my phone on Tuesday and it's supposed to be a one-day delivery. Now I'm stuck till Tuesday. Wow. Couldn't even call my hose. So basically, I ordered the item, yeah. I had the wrong bank details on. I don't know why the bank details were wrong. Probably because I did it on my computer before adding I don't know. Ordered it 3 times, it kept getting cancelled, yeah, by Amazon. I was like, okay, sure. Then I looked at bank details, realized it was wrong, updated it with my bank, and then it even said to process the order, you must log into your bank to accept the approval of the funds being released. Did that, I was like, finally done. So this is the 4th time I ordered the parcel, and then after the 4th time, about 5-10 minutes, I got an email. The email said, yeah, why are you laughing, man? I'm gonna slap you. And then the email said, oh fuck, I deleted the wrong email. Shit. Okay, there. Where is it? If we cancelled your order, if you already made a payment for this order, we'll issue a refund in accordance with our refund policy. Why did this action happen? We have detected unusual ordering activity on your account. We have cancelled as priority measure to protect account Amazon and our customers. If you would like to order it, what should I do? The usual activity comes to our attention when we reevaluate accounts case by case basis to determine if additional action is necessary. If you'd like to place the order again, you can appeal Amazon's decision to cancel your order by accessing the secure customer portal. Then it said after providing the appeal details, you'd be redirected to our third-party services to upload a valid government-issued identity document for verification. So basically, they wanted to see my ID. Then I sent the ID. I applied for it. I did it online, took a picture of it. We were unable to verify identification which you provided. So you're not able to buy items from Amazon. So I got banned. Bro, how? And then I spoke to an agent, and then basically they didn't even do anything. Like, they literally just said, yeah, I'll tell him. I was like, okay, cool. And then nothing happened. And then I rang them again. I was like, has anything happened? They goes, yeah, they already know. They're going to get back to you. I was like, okay. And then I rang them again. And then I was like, listen, I rang you 3-4 times in one day, yeah? I'm trying to order this item today because I paid for Amazon Prime so I can get it today. So I literally upgraded my subscription to Prime to get it today. and you can't even basically lift the restriction on my account when it's me ringing you to say it's me. Just cancel the restriction. That's it. Like that's a you know, email them now. Hi, customer's ringing. He has confirmed he is the person. He has tried to order it. The issue was because his bank details wrong on the previous 3 orders. He's updated them now. Everything's good to go. Just please approve it. That's it. And then half an hour or an hour to just circulate through the email if you put it as priority. That's it. Literally, that's it. They wanted me to wait 48 hours. Are you dumb? Are you? Bro, I've worked for companies, man. Why do you need to wait for 48 hours? It's not rocket science. Oh God, look at that move go. Fuck you in it, man. I wanted to go long on pound as well. Fuck you in it. So they're just taking the piss. And it's Friday as well. Yeah, that's another issue. So then I rang another advisor. I said I want to put a complaint in, yeah. And then she said, listen, I'm going to deal with it right now. She said, can you do me a favor? Check your email and your phone number on your account. I was like, okay. And then she gave me an email address and said, send your information over to that email address. I got even more angry. I was like, so the last 4 advisors didn't even look into the situation to realize, because she said that when you submitted it online, they didn't even receive it. So that email that you had saying it's your information wasn't accepted, it didn't even go through to the department. I was like, what kind of system have you guys got? You're valued at $2 trillion, bro. I guess you're one of the biggest companies in the entire world, and you can't even just do basic stuff. Like, your system's so bad. That goes, you got AI now as well, yeah. So you can't even blame anything because you're using AI. And then she goes, don't worry, I'll look at it for you, you know, I'll look at compensation, you know, I'll get it resolved. I was like, okay, cool. So then when she gave me that email address and stuff, I emailed her, and then in the morning today, 2 a.m, they goes, look, 48 hours for us to review it. I tried to reply with the whole story that, look, bro, it's nothing to do with me. It's to do with you guys. Your system fucked up. Your agent's fucked up. And basically, you just need to just approve it ASAP so I can order the part. That's it. Proper useless, man. A really bad customer service experience. I understand processes, yeah, because there goes suspicious activity. If I didn't ring them to confirm it was me, that's fine. But the fact I rang them to confirm it's me and I provided information, it should have been done within 1-2 hours. Like, these processes should be quite quick and snappy for a company the size of Amazon. Bro, Amazon's got more value, more wealth than most countries do. That's mad. Amazon's more wealthy than most countries, bro. Okay, let's look at GJ so I don't get missed by long. Is there any news? I want to make sure I don't get into a trade with or around any news. There is one more option. There's another GPU from another provider. I might just go to them if Amazon's taking the piss. They still have it in stock. Awesome. How long is delivery? Basket. Proceed to check out. Deliveries 2-3 quid. Yep. It doesn't even say. It doesn't even say anything. I'm just gonna try this. If it goes through, I'm just gonna go with this. I'm not even gonna bother with these guys. It might even work out better because if it gives me Kalana pay by 3, that's even better. Go on, lad. Go on, lad. Go on, lad. 1 second. Oh. It didn't let me do payment plan as well.
At 3 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Spanish CPI, year-on-year forecast 2.4%, prior 2.4%, month-on-month forecast -0.4%, prior -0.4%. HICP, year-on-year forecast 2.5%, prior 2.5%, HICP month-on-month forecast -0.7%, prior -0.7%, and
1
core
second,
CPI year-on-year, prior 2.6%.
I hang fire, and then if they don't do it, I'll just order it from this other site. Because it's a better GPU anyway, so. The reason I want to stick with Amazon is I was going to kick off and get compensation out of them, innit? Think smart, brother. Think smart.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Okay, so GJ is all day up there. You got a big move on Asia high here. We've got invalid zone failed. Prices just tagged that invalid zone. Yeah, let me just have a look at this on higher. Just look at this again. So we took out that low. Then we had bullish reaction from there. We come build up, took this low, broke structure, had the invalid zone there, took that zone out completely by targeting, giving a range and then going higher. Have a look then. What's the SL size look like? Oh god. That's gonna be tight. I'm not doing a 5.7 pip, no chance. 5 pip seems a bit big as well. Where's the next line? Suppose the data and the level is still valid. The reason I don't like this so much is
says I plan to meet with Marco Rubio in Munich and discuss Greenland.
The reason I don't like this so much is there's not much direction to the upside. It's just this midline here bounce, that's it. And that could be the move from here to here, and now it might go down. So I'm suspicious. But with that being said, in this price action, build up, sweep, broke structure. Build up, sweep, broke structure. So I suppose it's still kind of bullish. I don't know. Something just makes me not feel confident in going long from here. Can't seem to place what it is. Okay, so you know what happened yesterday? I had my old account pip farm. I risked 0.5%. I took a 1.5% SL, calling it a slippage, worst firm. Oh my god, that's really bad, bro. That's 4 times your SL. The 0.5 almost took a 2% loss. Wow. But I am happy with new account. My SL was only 0.5. I can't believe if I was risking 1%, I would have lost 2.6 now. Now just down 1.1. Yeah, I know. You know, the more you limit the drawdown, the better it is. You do limit profitability, but the point is you're gonna make money regardless, yeah? And most people can't handle drawdown, so just limit it as much as you can. That's it. It's as simple as that. Someone put evil eye on us, bro, for real. Yeah, I swear, Dan. People don't want me to have this computer. Because they know after this he's going to start trading with all the money he receives and not spending on equipment, and they don't want that.
4%. Month-on-month forecast minus 0.4%, prior minus 0.4%. HICP year-on-year forecast 2.5%, prior 2.5%.
This long would have been absolutely beautiful, man.
The HICP forecast minus 0.7%,
It
prior
fell,
minus
took out that zone,
0.7%.
took out
Spanish
that
core
zone,
CPI year-on-year,
and then flew up in 3 candles. These 3 candles probably like what, 10 pips? Oh my god, it's 20 pips. Wow. I do like UJ though. Demand zone, broke structure, tagged into it, build up, sweep, build up, sweep, build up here, sweep. So I like that. UJ looks much more cleaner for longs. Hound yen, I don't know, man. It's got more bouncing around going on. Suppose, yeah, demand zone, then tag the demand zone, build up, sweep, and down. Yeah, I suppose it does look good actually. Well, it definitely would have got swerved anyway. If this was a tighter zone, I would have been happier. But GJ is still going, which is fine. The issue with the channels is sometimes price just flies through channels and you don't even get a chance to actually take an entry because price is just ripping through the levels. Is one of the issues you will have when you trade channels, unfortunately. That's a 2-leg, that is right there. First leg, second leg. Volume there, contraction on the way back up, volume coming in there. Then you got demand zone right here. Which it did just touch. Tagged into that demand zone now. Now let's see if the first leg and the second leg, that should be an invalidation now for shorts, so it should go higher, but just in case the tag supply and drops down, I wouldn't be surprised because market does stupid shit all the time.
One minute remaining. I'll lead with Spanish HICP year on year. 2 spot 4%, 2 spot 4%. Lower than forecast, 2 spot 5%. HICP month on month, minus 0 spot 8%, minus 0 spot 8%. Lower than forecast, minus 0 spot 7%. CPI year on year, 2 spot 3%, 2 spot 3%. Lower than forecast, 2 spot 4%. CPI month on month, minus 0 spot 4%, minus 0 spot 4% as expected. And core year on year, 2 spot 6%, 2 spot 6%.
What levels are you talking about? Are you talking about daily level, like the daily high, weekly high and low, or are you talking about like... Yeah, okay, yeah. Of course, basically I trade daily highs, weekly highs and lows, daily highs and lows, and then London and New York highs and lows. I don't really trade structural, but I can. It just depends on what time it happens, innit? So yeah, basically same thing as what I do, and then I look for M1 reversal points in it. But then you have to be careful on M1 because there's so many invalidations on it. Yeah, and then I use candlestick anatomy as well. Like, what type of candle do you get? Do you get bullish candles coming in? Do you get momentum coming in? If you do, then that signals that, you know, that might be the right move of the day. So yeah, like here's momentum here. Then you had 2 fat candles there, contraction on the way back up, and 1 fat candle there. So that would indicate that, okay, you've had an absorption of a sweep of this high. Now it's starting to drop, contract slowly, drop again, first leg, second leg, let's go short. But at the same time, I just see a demand zone right here that price is tagged, which if you wanted to go short, that's just an invalidation anyway. And the reason I didn't like that level is because I like to cover it by 1 pip. I don't want a 5 pip SL because price has been so shit recently, bro. And it would have got missed anyway. Price has been so shit recently. I don't want to have a bigger SL and you still end up getting slapped with the loss, if you get what I mean. Because then you're just gonna risk, you're reducing your risk reward. That's kind of what I was saying anyway. I like it between 3 and 5. If it was normal conditions, I might have considered it. Because markets are a bit crappy in London session these days, I don't want to take that risk.
/purchase. It saves 67% out of subscription. Let's make a big...
Shut up, Trump. Yeah, share it, bro. Share it. Go ahead. So how many pips did that swerve by? 3 pippets. Very unfortunate. That'd have been a quick break even. Oh God, look at that. Wow. That'd have been really quick. Let's have a look at this then. You got the demand zone above it as well where your trade was in. That's also a good demand zone. Because you got a low just before it, so the price might sweep that low into that demand zone and then fly off. That's also another demand zone. That's quite good. Bro, I swear on futures you get volume profile and stuff like that. Why don't you use those volume profile indicators and shit? They're supposed to be wicked. volume profile. Yeah, that's sick. ThereThere's one trader I used to I kind of follow. He's a low time frame. What the fuck, bro? This momentum's sick. I use anchored volume profile and orders. But yeah, I would say that zone where you drew the red line in it for that demand zone in that trade you took. Actually, that demand zone is a nice little good one. Take a smaller risk on there. If it works, great. If it doesn't, you got the zone below it. Because then obviously price might sweep that demand zone, but yeah, we'll see. We flying on G, bro, proper flying on GJ, man. Like, yo, literally, freaking 35 pips is where I would normally take TP1. This bad boy's done 35 pip move in freaking 6 minutes. Like, yo. And with the bullish volume of the candle, you could have closed that at 38. Or on the high of the candle, 40. And that'd have been 8R on partials. But as I said, one, I needed a bigger SL. Two, it swerved. Nice, thanks, you're welcome. I used fixed ranges, but you use them on a high time frame, I think, innit? What? Oh, we have a problem. 1, 2, 3 minutes in London Open, we take out this level. Is that a break or is that a sweep? Oh, that's a hard question to answer. That is a bloody hard question to answer. But you know what? I'm gonna go long anyway. Fixed range volume profile, okay. That Italian guy, Andre whatever his name is, he trades volume profiles and stuff like that on futures on low time frame. He's a really good trader. Apparently, I like his content. But once again, I've not seen any live trading or anything like that, so I don't really know if I can trust him. But I like the other guy, the world's best scalper or whatever it is, the other Italian guy. He's good. He does live trading. But I've seen him do live trading or something. Rudy, 4.8, man. Why are all the zones so freaking huge? Now, the problem is, yeah, this should only really work from this demand zone, but this demand zone's already too big. Way too big, because I have to cover the low by at least 1 pip. Because obviously you need a bit of space in it. So that's just too big, man. God damn it. It's so annoying when you can't get the SL size that you want to get. 5.7 pips is so big. I don't want to use 5.7 pips, man. Oh, oil. Yes. WTI. over to Wednesday, probably just Friday actually. Yeah, that's looking interesting. Oil's looking interesting. Oh, did that tag? Yeah, it should have. It's a 5.8. Bloody yeah. That might have been okay if there's absolutely zero spreads. But as I said, 5.8 pips. Nope. No, thank you. I am not using such a big SL. Nope. If the markets were cleaner, then I wouldn't mind, but we know that the markets have been really crappy, haven't they, the last few weeks, man? They've been so choppy and range bound and slow that I don't want to be in a trade with a bigger SL and then not even be able to catch a full move and then just reduce the risk reward, and then if I had a losing streak, then that trade just didn't really benefit in any way. It has to be enough for it to wipe out most losses and make profit. You get me? VIX is up, is it? Oh, 1 second, let me have a look. Oh, 21. It is up. See, look, oh, thank God. See, lol, I was so happy that happened. I was so happy. Please, this one fail as well. Oh, God. Stupid. Okay, so yeah, the VIX is up actually. Good catch, Mangi. I didn't look at that today. I like it when it's like above 20. I prefer when it's like 22 to 24. That's when you get big swings, but they're not crazy big. It's good enough where you get like nice volume if you can get into a trade. If you go like 25 to 30, that's when it becomes too volatile. And you get like 100 pip moves in London, and then New York does like 160. Then it's a bit crazy, man. It's a bit too much volume then. Bitcoin still around 66. Did it drop any further? Did Bitcoin go any further down? Oh, it went 59. Oh no, that was... Oh yeah, we know about that anyway. Yeah. Ethereum, Bitcoinus, Platinum, Palladium. Well, this is Palladium, that's Platinum. So this one's Palladium. So let me just swap that Platinum and then Palladium. Yen crosses, CHF, JPY. Yeah, JPY is weak today. Silver's up really good, 4.5-ish%. Did you trade yesterday? I was looking for trades, couldn't really find anything, man. The market's been really bad this week. There's only one good trade in London on Monday or Tuesday, but I was looking at computer parts. That was a really good trade. That was clean, like nice and like clean as well. That was a really good trade. And yeah, I was looking at computer parts in it, so that was my fault, man. But it's okay. No problem. It's fucked. London's fucked. Oh god, yeah, it is. It's so bad at the moment. Like London, it's cooked at the moment, bro. I think because you got such big news happening in New York session, yeah, it's like everyone's just waiting for something in New York. Like, you know, the liquidations we're getting in gold, silver, crypto, all that stuff. Yeah, I think that everyone's waiting for New York to do the move it's gonna do. Wait for the liquidation event and just trade the move after it or something like that. That's what I think's going on at the moment, because there's almost no volume in London session, bro. Like London used to do like 30-35 pips on GU. GJ used to do like 60 to 90, and it's just been like, and it's like kind of clean price action. But this has been shit. Like this, most of this week the price action has been bollocks. Oh shit. Wait a second. Okay. How much percent is that away? Because I don't know how much the volume is on NAS, in it, to see if it's enough volume for you to get that before the New York stock open. Because it's 300 or 3,000 ticks away. No, 480 ticks away, or 4,800 ticks away. $400 ticks. Okay, yeah. I don't know the average percent move in it on that. I don't know how much it moves on average. It depends on volume in it. If what's the 1 second. Go on here. So go on the hour in it. Go to that Nasdaq. Yeah, it was Nasdaq. Okay. It looks like the average movement is around 200 to 300 ticks. This one's a bit higher. That's 350. About 200 to 300 ticks. It seems to be the average. So if it's 400 ticks away, I don't know if it will have enough. Set an alert in. If it does it, it does it. But I think we're gonna keep seeing a sell-off in the stock market and stuff like that. So I don't know if you'd want to swing trade. I'll probably just short-term bounce a move or something. If you get like a little bounce or something, then yeah, short trade that bounce. I like how it's generating supply zones and then kind of flying into them and taking them out, like this one. Took it out. And that's led this one here, and I might take that out. It has taken previous daily low, but still struggling to show any buying momentum. Yeah, I know, because London Open, yeah, the issue you get with London Open is on indices like NAS and stuff like that. It depends on the time it happened, innit? So when prices like this, I wouldn't look at the previous daily low. When prices like this, when you get it like this, you really want to look at the next low. So like the Asia midline, this level here, which is structural, or this low here is where I don't want to look. So yeah, you're looking at the right level of the weekly low, because the daily lows, it's if we had a daily low and then we had a rally away from it and then we come out and took it and then you've seen bullish momentum, then yeah, sure, that could work in it. But the low was here, we just bounced up, come back, took it out, and then just fell all the way through. That's not signaling to me that you're going to go long from that low at all. It's, if anything, it's saying that around Frankfurt Open, Frankfurt Open being the high, the Frankfurt low here, London took Frankfurt high around midline, then dropped. So that was clean for a short there on M1, but there's no bloody entry for it. I forgot how good NAS was, man. Look at that nice sell-off right there, bro, on M1. How many ticks are we talking here, lad? 80 ticks, nice and comfy. What SL did I used to use on NAS? I think it's like 150 ticks or 100 ticks. I don't remember. Bro, look how golden 5 minute is just channeling for liquidity. See, yeah. Wee. Zzz, zzz. Wow. These moves we're getting on gold and silver are so interesting, man. They're just really interesting moves. 50. Let's look at a 5070 Ti. And then remember not to bloody miss any trades. First leg, second leg. I don't like the look of that. I really don't like the look of this here. Nope, I would not take a shot from there. Absolutely no. 5070 Ti. Oh, Zotac. Their card is really nice actually. The Zotacker. Yo, MSI do one. That looks gangster. Zotac looks nice, man. So yeah, gold's looking interesting. It's just generating internal liquidity. EU's really bad since London. I'm gonna say the same statement I said yesterday. Why is Frankfurt better than London right now? Literally 1 hour of Frankfurt is better than 2 hours or 3 hours of London. It's really bad. Bloody hell, I'm in heavy right now, aren't I? And USD, UJ, GJ, UGU. Oh shit, I forgot to go off of the... Oh my god, this guy. Yes, I suppose you could use that analogy, yes. I don't know what to respond with. I was not expecting that response. Oh dear. You mad guy. Monkey. Right, so nothing on GU or EU at the moment. I would prefer shorts, but then price come tagged into this zone, which I really don't like the look of. Because you had a nice bit of volume there, Where did that volume even come from at 740? What happened at 740? Nothing happened. That was just raw volume. Okay.
Russian Deputy Foreign Minister Ryabkov says Russia will provide Cuba with material assistance.
I feel more comfortable trading gold in London than NAS. Yeah, gold has a bit of volume. So yeah, I think NAS is okay, but yeah, gold's definitely better to trade in London. Gold, silver better to trade in London. GJ, UJ's okay. GBP CAD, GBP AUD. Yeah. But some of these other minor pairs, the spreads are quite bad in it. So I can't trade all of them. Like GBP AUD, GBP CAD. Fuck, silver is flying, man. Yeah, I know. Oh, I didn't. It was like up 4.7% earlier on, bro. What's it up now? Like 5.1? Why am I here? 5, there you go. Yeah, I said 5.1. What a good guess. What a good guess. Oh my god, someone help. Send help. Look at Facebook. Is there anything on Facebook? Marketplace or eBay? eBay. Oh, white 90, 50, 80 for 900. That's a good price. Waterloo. That's from London, probably a scam. Why would you sell a 5080 for a bloody... That don't make no sense, mate. You know, the one thing I struggle with trading the most is the boredom. Oh my god, the boredom is what gets me the most, man. Oh. Like, this zone should have held, but it didn't. It just tagged, gave reaction, took a straight out, and then it went for London open low instead. Even though this one's more valid and I would prefer this one. there's more sense of price coming to balance this price action here, tag this zone and flyer from here, than literally going to fill this tiny fair value gap, honestly. I learned the order blocks and volume from Flow Trader. I don't know who that is. No idea who that is. I just learned about volume profiling and stuff like that from Andrea Chitta. What's his fucking name, man? Andrea Chimi. Ah, okay, yeah. But the only traders I really like would be interested in following are the ones who do live trading and stuff like that on a regulated broker, and he seems legit because he also is friends with the world's best scalper in it. That other Andre or whatever it is, the one who scalps on M1 or whatever it is. He's really good. The one who's a leaderboard on what's it called? Leaderboard on the Robbins Cup. Like all these other people, I don't trust them, bro. If they don't do live trading and stuff like that, stay away, bro. Stay away. Instead, people follow Pudus instead because they do really good marketing. Really good marketing. Yeah, I've never seen him trade live, innit? Like, I know he does videos, but I don't really watch his content because, you know, my opinion, yeah, is once you're got a strategy that works, yeah, everything to become consistent is basically psychologically related. So because I know I have a winning edge anyway, yeah, a profitable edge, I don't really look at anyone else because I don't feel the need to, innit? And also with trading, you just need to focus on yourself. Don't look at other people, don't look at other things unless you're going to learn or something like that, yeah. But if your trading edge is good, then just expand upon it by getting data and just expanding on that strategy. You shouldn't really be looking at other traders because it just causes problems. It's like when you go in Discord and you have parts of communities and you look at all the other traders, oh, they're doing this, they're doing that, oh, why am I not doing that, why am I not getting a payout, blah blah blah. But that guy's blown like 50 accounts and he's full porting everyone to get a 50k payout or something stupid, whereas you might be just getting 2-3% every month, which is what a trader is supposed to do. Gamblers do what these guys do, and they're trying to full port accounts. So that's why I don't really look at other people. But yeah, I do like him. He's good. And his friend, the one who trades as well, the yeah, you got like tier 1, tier 2 or tier 3 level, or level 1, level 2, level 3 order books and stuff like that, where you can see like the orders coming in and stuff. It's cool shit, bro. It's really, if I was learning futures, I would 150% learn about order flow and stuff like that. 100% order flow, volume profiling. I'd also learn about options as well, alphas, gammas, because all these things will help you like within the stock market. When you do options trading, it's normally USA people that are trading options, so it'll be reflective of the futures market that they're trading. So it's really good. Because my strategy is really good, yeah, but it's so low trade frequency that I need something to offset it. And I like the idea of options because it's completely different, innit? Because futures is basically the same thing, man. It's the same charts. Everything from my understanding is it's basically the same thing. It's just cleaner charting. Whereas if I still in options, then there's going to be more diversity, which I like the idea of. I would like personally in 5 years' time, I would like to be competent to good in competent to like good in options, and then Forex be a monster, and then future should be monstrous also, because at that point you're doing the same thing, innit? Yeah, futures is literally Forex but zero spreads and yeah, exactly, yeah. Another email from Quantecal about some offers they have, but they still haven't bloody done the interview. I spoke to one of the guys. I goes, look, is it gonna get delayed again? They goes, no, you'll definitely get it for this date. And then, you know, if anything sooner comes, we'll tell you, innit? So hopefully next Wednesday I'll get the interview and I'll get paid out. Bro, I learned some mad stuff, you know, but I can't tell you on the live stream, innit? Message.
Foreign holdings of yuan bonds traded on China's interbank market stands at 3.35 trillion yuan at the end of January.
Why didn't you tell me, you arsehole?
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Right, that's weird. Interesting but weird. I wonder if it's certain people, like certain traders who have like too much profitability or too aggressive of a style or something. I don't know if it could be something to do with that. Maybe, don't know.
China fourth quarter preliminary current account surplus $242.1 billion. And for 2025 preliminary current account surplus $734.9 billion.
Yeah, very weird. Very, very weird behavior for sure. I understand if they were slamming the company and they were doing nothing wrong, that makes sense. But when you're actually doing something wrong and then you're trying to limit the person, then that's kind of disgusting. So yeah, welcome to QT. If there's anything to do, I'm gonna say, look, bro, everything's on YouTube, man. You're gonna have to pay me to take the videos down. And if you don't, then obviously there's no point in me signing an NDA. I'll just put it all over social media. That's probably why their reputation isn't as bad as what it should be, if that makes sense. They're kind of controlling it, innit? 1 second, just trying to. Observe gold. Okay. Observe gold. 49.65. 49.65. So around the middle of this level. Do you mean this structural low right here? This low literally right here. There. That low. Because that is literally the same level that you're talking about. Well, it's 64.5 in it, but it's pretty much the same thing. Set an alert. Do you still use fund? Yeah, I do. But I've not really been trading much in it. But yeah, I'd love Funded Next, bro. It's so good of a firm. So simple, so easy. No issues, no drama. Like, it's just way better. Just way better. I owed the GPU. I did a tricky one. I did a tricky one. Bro, it's good having bare emails and bare different banks, you know. I just made another account, yeah, with my name, and I've got 2 houses. I use my next door address, I use my different bank details, and they just put the order through now on that account. Now let's just wait 5-10 minutes and see if it gets cancelled or anything like that. If it does, then kiss my ass. But it's already left my bank anyway, so that's a good sign. I'm a sneaky brother. Sneaky. Why didn't I do this like 3-4 days ago? AMD. AMD is better than Nvidia at the moment, bro. Yeah, so that's it. Now let's just hope it doesn't get cancelled. Email saying item ordered. Perfect. I think it'll be okay because the address is next door. And stuff like that, so I think it'll be perfectly fine. And the bank account and stuff like that as well is brand new, so shouldn't have any issues. I'm telling you, having multiple accounts it has a benefit, bro, whenever you have issues like this. Right, so GU now, could we possibly get a move round after taking out Asia high? We have just taken all of this liquidity out, nice bit of volume there. We contracted and slowly crept upwards here. Oh, also, what phone you ordered by this, Sahad? The Euro is kind of similar thing like this. Kind of a channel, kind of. Gold sat there, silver is ripping away, almost back at 80. Is hovering, it peaked at 90. It's at 79.3, which is right near 80. I got iPhone 11 Pro Max. Oh, you're iPhone guy. I prefer Android. I prefer Android over iPhone, personally. I used to be iPhone. I used to have the iPhone 4, 4S, 5, 5S, and then I went to Galaxy S6. And after I went to the Galaxy S6, I was like, oh my god, Android's way better. Because back in those days, you had to jailbreak iPhones, innit? They weren't that good, man, back in those days. Yeah, but how come you would never go back to Samsung? Because to me, it doesn't make sense. Because in those days of iPhone 4, 5, and 6, I had to jailbreak everything and freaking, like, there wasn't much flexibility and all the websites were restricted and, like, all that type of stuff, innit? So when I went to Samsung S6, it was kind of like way better. But everyone was saying before Samsung S6, they were really bad. I don't really know, innit? Before, apparently, they were bad. And then I've been with Samsung since, man. And I'm on S20 Ultra at the moment. I'm going to keep it till I get something different. iOS apps are more optimized at cameras and all optimizer. Samsung's just screen record. Just screen record camera on apps. Is that with the new Samsungs as well? Because the new Samsungs are good. Like my S20 is like a few years old, but it's good, man. And my brother used to be an iPhone guy. He's a phone technician, or used to be a phone technician. And then he went to Huawei, and he said Huawei is the literal best phone he's ever used, but because of the Google restrictions and stuff like that, he ended up going to Samsung. And then he's with, I think he's on the S25 Ultra now, and he likes it. He didn't like it at first. He goes, oh, because he had the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the 12 Pro Max, and then he went to the S25 and S24, and then he goes, I don't like it. Then I goes, try it, bro, for like a week or two. He had it for a week or two. Then he went got the S25 Ultra. I just find that they're a bit more flexible. Yeah, I use the Ultra like on Instagram and stuff, and the camera quality is shit because the screen records. Really? What? I didn't realize that. But you know, for me, I don't really use social media anyway, innit? So I'm not that bothered. I just use the phone for like the screen quality, the streaming, and I use like the camera itself for recording and stuff. Because the reason I went for Samsung is these guys' cameras blow iPhone out the water in terms of you know, the basic settings you get on the phone. Like, let me have a look at the settings on here, bro. The settings are sick on the camera on Samsung's. You go on pro mode, innit? Pro video. So you got basically ISO. You got shutter speed. What else have you got? ISO, shutter speed. You got a few other camera settings, and those camera settings are better than what you get with iPhone on the equivalent phones. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and basically I bought this because remember, this YouTube channel was a car channel, so I was using my phone for recording car content in it. Because Samsung's, with these new phones and stuff, you can you don't need a proper camera. You can use a phone camera in it. So I wanted a really sick phone camera, and at that time, the S20 Ultra is way better than iPhone for like all that stuff in it. But is iPhone still restrictive? Is Apple still restrictive on all the apps, or can you now start using all the apps as you wish and all the websites as you wish? Because with Android, there's no restrictions, and that's one thing I hated about iPhone, and I loved about Android when I first switched over. I was like, oh my god, this one benefit alone to me was like a really big thing. Yeah, I mean, you can't download APKs on iOS, so you still can't do whatever you want, basically. Oh, I'm battery off an iPhone goated. They weren't, when you used to jailbreak them, they weren't that good because the did used to use more battery. So that was another downside. But as I said, the iPhone 4 and 5S, they're years ago, innit? So it's hard to say. I think I'll just stick with Android because I think with iPhone there was restrictions, and with Android there is no restrictions. So until I'm 100% sure iPhone has no restrictions, then I might consider it. But at the same time, do you want to support America or Korea? I'll support Korea 100% over America. There's also a political point in it. Why can't Pakistan make an iPhone, man? Yeah, I was telling, yeah, that's one thing I don't like, bro. I really don't like that. But Samsungs are amazing. You can customize whatever you want, the layout, the widgets, everything, bro. You can use any website and stuff like that. There's no restrictions. You can download whatever you want. It's basically a phone, innit? The iPhone's kind of like, it's a phone, but you're not allowed to do this, you're not allowed to do that. You can't do this, you can't do that. Listen, shut up, I'll pay for the phone. Yeah, let me do what I want. You get what I mean? Huawei's all good, yeah, but I don't like China in it. Good morning, lad.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Yeah, bye. China first. over America, yeah, but I'm generally still not fond of China anyway. But yeah, they're definitely better than Americans. Your best friend Yahya was here earlier on. Welcome to no signal stream, haha. FKUSD. Oh no, missed him. I prefer Ruto over China. He's chilling, man. I don't know if he's got an account or not. He's here for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then he left in it. Yeah, about 10 minutes and then he left. I don't know. We didn't really get to talk about trading in it, so I couldn't make fun of the guy, unfortunately. That sounds a bit LGBTQ plus.
Wallahi al-Azim, you are gay. Don't say this to me. Wallahi, you are gay. Wallahi, you are gay.
Emotional damage. Huh?
Oh god. Bashi, do the dance. Are you? I need a...
Are you dumb?
I think she's dumb. I think she's dumb. Are you, like medically speaking,
Are you dumb?
We know you had a banger trade. We all waiting. We know you had a banger trade. Yeah, GU was it, innit, bro? GU was it. There was a trade on GJ. Kind of, or we got close to having a trade on GJ. I wanted to go long from here, but we had an issue. The issue was the SL was a little bit big, because I wanted to cover this low. So you're looking at a 5 pip SL. I didn't want to do a 5 pip SL. I have a reason for it. I'll explain why. Because you already know this week the price has been so shit, bro, yeah, that I don't really want to be in a trade where price action's been choppy. So what happened was it swerved it by 0.3 pips anyway, and it was the right move, which is brilliant. But it swerved it by 3 pips, and it's very frustrating because it was a 4 pip zone. 5 pips a bit big, bro, and I don't want to be in that trade with this crappy market condition. You see what I'm trying to say? So I was like, let's look at USDJPY instead. USDJPY had this zone here and this zone here. Now this zone here was 4.1, so it would have had to be a 5.1 pip SL. Once again, a bit bigger than I would prefer because London Open's been fucked these days, as you already know, yeah. It's been proper choppy and crappy price action. So I don't really want to be in a trade for so long, yeah, just to get tagged out. And or if it does go to TP, the risk reward is heavily reduced. I don't really want to be dealing with that. See what I'm trying to say? So I just kind of sat on the sidelines for them. So UJ tagged, GU just swerved. Then I thought we can try and look for shorts on GU because we've had such a big move over here. We had first leg, second leg, wanted to go short, but then it tagged a demand zone right here, so I was like, I can't really trade that. What else was there? That was pretty much it, to be honest, bro. Oh yeah, also you got this demand zone here. So naturally on this setup, this demand zone is the one you're supposed to go for, the nearest one, because you got massive fair value you got there, and literally price tagged in, gave you action and took that zone out, so this would have been a loss. So this trade here, to be honest, I wouldn't have taken that. After seeing this zone fail, I wouldn't have taken it. Also, the SL was big on this. Is 4.7. No, 4.8 pips. So it would have been a 5.8 pip SL. And obviously, it would have also took an L. So yeah, it is what it is, isn't it? So kind of getting the direction right on the charts, but just not really getting entries that fit the data I want to kind of stick to, if that makes sense. If we had more volume in the market, I wouldn't mind having a bigger SL, but because we've been so choppy and range bound and crappy price action, I don't want to take that, if that makes sense. What I do is I look at DAX in Frankfurt, London, to see if there is volume. If not, then no point in looking at indices. How would the DAX correlate to the US indices? Is it like general volume, or they're all linked in volume or something? Because I wouldn't kind of expect that. It's not a correlation. It's something I noticed when DAX itself is suffering and NAS and US30 just range bound. Okay, that's interesting. Long dong been awful past few weeks, you bloody idiot. I had enough. My Goldie behaving like a bitch on steroids. At this rate, better to do OF than trading for living in London, lol. The dick analyst fully agree. I don't have a body like Bashy. Yeah, I got moobs galore, mate. They call me moobs my boobs. You assholes. Moobs my boobs. I need to literally go back gym, man. You know what it is? Because the UK is so cold, yeah, and I'm kind of like have agoraphobia. Bro, I don't want to go outside when it's cold as hell and then start doing like cardio and stuff like that. You're mad. You know what I mean? I can't wait to get out of the UK and go to like a country that's more normal, bro. And then bloody start doing exercise and stuff in a nice warm climate, rather than just freaking going outside and saying it's cold and going back in. Nothing to do other than taking mick out of each other. It's sleet and rain same time here. Yeah, it's cold, bro. It's raining right now. Bashi, make me profitable so I can leave this country. Akhi. Basically, everything Yahya does, do the opposite. Boom, done. Easy. You'll be raking in 20, 30, 40% because he's blowing 20, 30, 40%. So wherever he's entering and taking an L, you enter and take a TP. Done. I call it the counter Yahya. I call it the Yahya counter. The Yahya counter is the most dangerous technique there. I love that strategy. Sick, you know. I don't know. Stick in the Discord, innit, or message him and say, come to stream, I miss you, whatever. Let me just try and tag him, because if he's here, let me. Yes. Oh, he's here. It's letting me tag him. So he's here. Oh, you Haiwan. You Kundar. Kundar. Kandur. You gay? What do you guys reckon to this audio, to the other one, like this track? Because this is a different one. I just hope I don't get banned for using it. I'm gonna save this because it seems slightly better than the other stuff. And I just get so bored of the same freaking... I know it's all very similar, but... Oh, they did a Daft Punk inspired one. That would probably get chopped, you know. Yo, the Hype Y70 has a vertical rise cable for the GPU. Are you mad? Like, are you legit mad? He's looking for his next victim. Yeah, nice, chilled out. You don't have adverts on your stream, so you're fine. Bashi, let's live stream London session on... Bro, I would fully do that. I would fully do that as well for the banter. Oh my god, I would fully do that. Oh my god, I would fully do that. I already know my name as well. The 9-inch chapati roll is the name. 9-inch chapati roll. 9-inch chapati roll violates all the holes of the market. Imagine comments like, oh yeah, liquidity sweep on Pornhub. Oi, that is so funny, man. I swear, Dad. I swear, Dad. But the other funny thing would be, if I saw a live stream on Pornhub and then you lot are watching it and then your mom and dad walk in like, are you on Pornhub? What's going on here? Oh, that'd be bare funny, man. Oh god, I should do stand up. Yeah, you should. Yeah. You should stand up so the dick comes out your ass. Oh god. Sahad, you're a funny guy, man. Hands down, you're bare rapey, yeah, but you're a funny guy. We will name the live stream 2 Candles, 1 Sweep. You should make it 2 candles, 1 engulfing slap. Oh god, that is too funny. After yesterday's drop of gold, I think news do jack all we had further down. 2 candles, 1 Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that was funny, man. You 2 candles, 1 sweep. That's really good, bro. Oh god. You could also name it 2 highs, 1 engulfing. So 2 highs get slapped by an engulfing candle, innit? Oh god. 2 highs, 1 engulfing. And what you could do, you can have 2 candlesticks there, yeah? You can have 2 candlesticks there and just have like a picture of like, not a penis, but like your thumb in it. Like a big fat thumb just going through the 2 equal highs. That could be the thumbnail. Oh my god. That is so good, bro. So good. Oh. The stop loss filled. OTP smashed. Yo, you need to I want to make a trading community, man. I'm thinking about it. After I've learned options and stuff like that, yeah. I want to think about doing that. Our slogan would be aim for the gold, not for the aim for the goal, not the hole. Not gold, I say aim for the goal, not the hole. Gold doesn't suit, innit? Aim for the gold. Make me mod. Alright. There you go. Done. We'll stop with oh god. Too funny, guys. Man, golden, yeah, probably still is. Oh, there you go. There you go. It's come for that channel. There you go. So just hit that. Shall I trade a small account now? No, there's no point, bro. Just wait for next week, innit? Because this week, remember, we had a lot of news happening, yeah? We've had NFP, we got CPI going on. You'd rather just wait, innit? I'd rather watch two guys kissing than watch charts in London. I know that's why your name is the Dick Analyst. It makes a lot of sense, unfortunately. Yeah.
Wallahi al-Azim, you are gay. Don't say.
Very unfortunate, I say. Bro, RAM is still mad expensive, bro. How is RAM still so... Wow. Okay, so what the... Can I mute him for 5 minutes? Haha, that was too LGBTQ. Nothing wrong with being gay. A sword fight can never go wrong. What the heck? Bro, what's wrong with you, man? Where's your girlfriend? Go say hello to her. What's your guys' opinion on gold and silver? I think it's gonna keep going down. I think if you're long in it, you're a dumbass. BV lore yaar. Tuck tuck mar. Tuck tuck. What man do for passing time? Will you get a trade? Get help? Yeah, he needs help. He needs professional help, like psychiatric help. This doesn't get. I'm gonna sit on M5 on GU because no point sitting on bloody lower time. Hopefully in New York session we might get something after CPI. I think next week's definitely a good shot though, bro. She don't mind in my life. Haroon's available. F that. Loyal. Sit on M15 on GU because no point doing anything else at all. Flipping hell, why all these highs? Yo, you ever go to Tuesday, Wednesday, man? You relax. And you relax. Okay, that's better. 30 pip move up and a possible 30 pip move down. We can work with that for New York session, that's okay. Just stream Bashi on a 16 screen. Every inch counts. Oh, fuyo.
Uncle Roger don't like you. Why so weak? So weak.
William Knife Man.
I love the William Knife Man. William Knife Man. I just realized what I've done in front of Sahad. Please be careful, restrain yourself. Please restrain yourself. Please restrain yourself. Oh shit, what have I done here? Just don't want to show it. He's a little cutie fruity. Reminds you of the song in it by the Indian guy. Yo, trading's so boring, man, I swear. Trading is so boring. I really want to do the Pornhub thing. That's so funny. I really want to do it. Oh. Oh god. Bro, you know what? I like this, man. Let's just chill and just look at gold and silver. Ain't nothing happening on freaking Forex side of things. Freaking kiss my ass. It's better to be boring than sit in the office 8 hours straight, bro. I swear. I'm so much happier being a trader, bro. And even with the way I trade, it is quite difficult when you think about it, in the sense that it's very slow pace. Most traders would be like, Brian, took a trade in ages, I can't do this. Everything is slow right now. I'm sat in the office. Peak. What do you do for work? Yeah. Trading for a living is not easy, bro. You can lose money in it. Like, the good thing about a day job is you're only gonna make money. You're never gonna lose money. You're trading as a living, bro. The issue you have is that you need to make sure you got money, bro. Otherwise, you're screwed. Oh, works for Johnny Sins. Yeah, he bleaches his asshole. Johnny says, I got a scene. Yeah, spread your cheeks, lad. I got you covered. I code, HTML, CSS, email developer, and some JavaScript. I am Johnny Sins, bro. No, you're not. You're Haroon. My nickname is Kojak. Alright, lad. Alright, lad. These bloody broomies, yeah, moving mad. Basically, you've mentioned that, but have you looked at some of the stocks or the companies that are tech heavy? Have you seen their, for example, what's the one that Nick was talking about? God damn it. It wasn't semiconductor. Who was it? It was a bloody... It was a stock. What was it, man? One second. Oh, here we go. Let me just... Here. So basically, yeah, this chart here is all of the tech companies and the tech firms, yeah. Now look at, since AI around September 2025, bro, since AI has come into play, tech firms have absolutely been smashed, bro, through the arsehole. Literally, tech companies have been absolutely smashed from the arsehole, bro, since AI. Because basically it was supposed to better the living standard in it, but it's taking over the need for tech companies, it's taking over the need for all these corporations and stuff like that. And because the USA has become so tech heavy, yeah, the issue now becomes, are they going to be liquidating themselves because of AI being a potential replacement of those companies, if that makes sense? Because if so, they've shot themselves in the foot from a manufacturing and economical standpoint, if you get what I mean. With IC markets, you can trade Apple and stuff like that, but they're not that volatile, bro. You need them to drop like massive to get in at a good price, innit? But stocks are easy, like, you know how I trade, I understand fundamentals. Similar aspect, innit? You just look at quarterly reports and projections and try to work out where the business is due to go and how strong are they compared to other companies and stuff like that. It's not that difficult, but it's more sentiment and fundamental based. So yeah, basically this is just a pure representation, bro. So the tech companies have fell 33% since AI's come into play. That's really bad, you know, really bad. I just wanted to mention that because you spoke about obviously tech stuff in, and I was just like, oh wait a second, this is a good time to mention it whilst everyone's thinking about it. They're skilling loads of jobs, bro. Loads of... Also, welcome back, Mangi. But yeah, skilling loads of jobs, man. Absolute bunch load of jobs are just getting absolutely demolished by it. Admin work, accountancy, like back office stuff like form filling, all that sort of stuff, like input, like data analyst stuff is all getting filled out as all, like, you know, generic jobs. Even stuff like coding and stuff like that is getting filled out, programming is getting filled out, anything that doesn't really need a doctors will eventually get filled out, because it'll be a very once you put like laws in place and you have like clear like rules for everything, clear like criteria, it'll just sit within those criteria, and once you implement it. So yeah, it could work in law, it can't work in doctoring because it's a physical job, in about diagnosis and prognosis wise it will probably help, because you'll have access to like all the data for like the x-ray and blood tests and all that stuff, and it'll give a faster reaction and stuff like that to a response. So that's gonna make all the people in the medical side kind of obsolete. It's disgusting, man, really bad. I am managing some coders already, but I want to enjoy it much more. I don't enjoy trading. I don't understand how people enjoy trading. I don't get it. I can't really comprehend it. I just need to get profitable. I'm in the UK, close to Leeds. He's near me. Nice, bro. I really wish I could trade Apple and gold. Google on futures. Oh, you can't trade. Oh, yeah, you can't. I only invest in eToro. Okay, yeah. Options, you need big money to make money on that. True, AI will end this. Ain't everything crashed at the moment? I mean, majority of the stuff is kind of crashed, in all honesty. There's a, you know, did I tell you about the jobs that USA's lost since AI? They've lost like 1.5 million jobs. Amazon laid off like 300,000 people. Let me find you the figures, bro. And this is because of AI. Let me find you the figures. You're gonna be like, yo, what the fuck? It was a while ago. The fuck was the figures? It was like a week ago, I seen it, or 2 weeks ago. There's a list of all the companies who've laid off people. Come on, where is it? We're going back into January almost now, so I think I'm near it. Come on, you asshole. No! You fucking prick. Oh, thank God. We're on 4th of February, it's close. I know it's somewhere here. Where the hell is it, man? So it's taken me a while to find it, but the Kabasi letter is where I've kind of get most of my information from, and they post like 10 times a day, man. So it's just freaking hard to find the right one. The post. Here we go. Okay, in January 30th, yeah, the government laid off 300,000 people. UPS laid off 80,000 people. Amazon laid off 30,000 people. Intel 25k, Nissan 20k, Nestle 16k, Microsoft 15k, Bosch 13k, Dell 12k, Verizon 13k, Accenture 11k, Ford 11k, Novo 9k, Microsoft 7k, PwC 6k, Salesforce 4k. And that's recent layoffs. Now, and it says AI is officially replacing jobs at mass scale in the USA. So that's probably 400, 500, 600,000 employees just there. And I've seen another report where saying Amazon in total has laid off 300,000 employees. That's a mix of AI and also cutting back on employees as well. So I think the jobs market in general is down like 1-2 million, bro, something insane. And AI's recently in the last 4 or 5 months or 6 months, I think it is, that's what's led to a lot of those layoffs has been in relation to AI. Now let me read the comments now, because you lot are probably talking, innit? Invest in eToro. Any Pornhub will survive, you idiot, man. I swear down. Just plumbers, builders, yeah, labourers, yeah.
GDP estimate.
Can I be your manager?
Year-on-year flash forecast 1.3% on the prior 1.3%.
Nah. I think corn will be the only legit thing left.
On the prior 0.3%. Eurozone trade balance on the prior 11 billion.
End of the day. Oh shit, it went right to the bottom. Why did it go right to the bottom?
Flash on the prior 0.2%. And Eurozone trade balance non-seasonally adjusted on the prior 9.9 billion.
At the end of the day, none of this stuff will matter. We'll all die, so do what you love. True. What country in Australia? Yeah, Bashi, you suggest them to me on X. I've been reading. Yeah, Kabasi letter is really good, bro. Really, really good. Australia has good weather. One of my relatives is teaching in Melbourne. Bro, in summer you get cooked here. You can cook steak on the concrete with no gas. He just travels and teaches. Melbourne is cheaper than where I'm in, Sydney. Being there, it's nice. Yeah, Sydney is the capital, isn't it? Canberra is a capital. Why have I never? So why is Sydney so popular then? Like I didn't realize the capital city is so shit that not many people even know. Raw, okay. Raw-ack. Raw-ack. Sydney is where they pump all the international students and backpackers. Sydney is so famous as it has all the LGBTQ community there. Like Pippi, yeah, that makes sense. He wants to change his name to Dick Analyst, so it makes a lot of sense. Nearly choked on my drink. Pause. Oh, daddy, is what he's probably thinking when saying something like that. You bloody suspicious. You bloody suspicious. So when I spoke to the advisor earlier on, and they just kind of touched base with them, they just emailed me now saying that, yeah, thanks for letting the team know about your situation. It's still going to take us 24 to 48 hours. So I'm glad I made you the account in it. It hasn't been cancelled yet, so that's a good sign. Because normally it gets cancelled in like 5 minutes. And how long has it been since I ordered it? It's been like an hour almost, so yeah, that's fine. It's been like almost an hour.
Minutes until we get Eurozone GDP flash estimate. Year-on-year flash forecast 1.3% on the prior 1.3%.
Oh yeah, Euro GDP. Oh, we got Euro GDP in 5 minutes. This stream is getting too dirty. Yeah, we need to focus on charts, man. Come on, bro. I don't want anyone to come here and then be like, what the hell is going on here, man? Sharm everyone. Bashi, what challenge you think is best to get? 2-step always. For a cheat guy like me. Bashi shouldn't be taking his username. Shouldn't be talking. His username is FX Bashi. We all know FX stands for female excravers. This guy, man, I swear, Dad. Or shall I just pump £100 and scale it? No, just slowly compound. Bro, you trade gold in it, so with the £100 account, you're gonna blow it anyway because you just don't have enough capital or enough margin to trade gold with big SLs. So you rather just spend that £100 and get like a 50k account if you can, or a 25, the biggest account you can get. And then just like, if you're gonna trade gold during these really volatile periods, just have really big SLs and keep your risks small. So then, like, at least you're not gonna get manipulated by volume in the market, in it. Because right now we're low volume, but the shorts are where the volume's at, in it. That's what I would say, in my opinion. But you still need to. That sounds gay. Alright then, blow your money, innit? Do what you want, bro. I'm not asked. He asked me, I give my answer. This that's gay. Yeah, do what you want, to know. I'm not asked, man. Don't chat to me. Flip it, hell. With the 100, just get futures account and that's a good shot, actually. Just get a futures account in it, 50k, and then just trade gold futures. For that comment, I'm stripping you of your moderator hood. There you go. Lucid has 40% off. How are you getting on with them anyway? Basically, it's the same, yeah? They have a consistency rule, and the drawdown's way less, but the TP's way less. I don't know if it's still a 2-step. Yeah, there's consistency rule, yeah. There's consistency rule, yeah. But if you take bear trades anyway, then what's it matter? You take 10 in a day anyway, bro. One step. Okay. So 1 step. And you got 50% consistency rule. Unless you go to top step. Sahad said they removed it now. The consistency rule. You can pass it one day if you catch a good trade, bro. Depending how you trade and stuff, yeah.
I'll be leading with Eurozone GDP quarter-on-quarter flash estimate.
Yeah.
0.3%, 0.3% as expected. Year on year, 1.3%, 1.3% as expected. Eurozone employment change, quarter-on-quarter flash, 0.2%, 0.2%. Trade balance non-seasonally adjusted, 12.6%, or 12.6 billion, 12.6 billion.
Right. Okay, so actually not in one day because you can't make full amount in challenge fit. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, the limited profitability, yeah. No, I was just doing something in it. Yeah, you might need to tell Sahad what your SL size is on gold, and then he'll probably tell you what the right size of trade could be or whatever. Yeah, it's cheap. Just trade micros. That's it. Yeah. As I said, do not trade futures. Just get a small account. Just get the smallest account they have for like whatever it is. Or if they do a demo account, get a demo account just to work out the lot sizes and stuff like that. Because you don't have like 0.01. They're fixed in it, micros, minis and stuff like that. So they're kind of fixed. So if you want, get a demo if you can on a futures firm. Just check everything out, make sure you're happy, then just buy the challenge, innit? But he trades low time frame. He's a scalper, Sahad. He's not high time frame, he's scalper. full port to pass in one day. Send it, lads. Trade NFP, CPI. He'll have a big move. Oh shit. Buy US30 on at 2:29 p.m. and then just have no SL. We're gonna blow the account before he even starts it. Honestly, Sahad, Haroon and Yahya and like these guys, they're not serious about trading, man. They just hate to piss about, innit? They're doing online casino. They don't even realize what they're doing is haram, bro. They don't even realize the haramness of their activities. Stuff. I'm joking. Yeah, sure you are, bro. I know you're thinking it right now. Man's thinking, you know what, yeah, you know what, yeah, rude boy, yeah. I'm thinking I can pattern it, you know. If I just grab the car, yeah, full put it for CPI, you know what, bro? I'll pass it one day, you know, cause man's feeling the vibe, you know, cause that's what he's thinking right now. All the ones are blue, or I get so close and then try to pass it quick. Yeah, that's so bad. That's so bad. Bro, let me tell you something, yeah? With the way I trade, bro, and you're gonna laugh at this. Anyway, Bashy and gang, we'll see y'all after Ramadan. I'll be off YouTube and socials. We'll be on Discord though. Okay. I don't get why you won't be on the stream anymore, but alright, safe innit. Fasting doesn't mean you can't go on YouTube. It means stay off of Cornhole because that's where you're gonna be on. Yeah, below the dirty one.
According to the government, Japan PM Takaichi to meet with Ueda at 5 p.m. local time on Monday.
There are some Southern fried food, yo. They're so bad for you, I swear, man. That's one thing I look forward to. But honestly, I don't think I'm gonna fast this year, man. I really don't think I can. If you die and you have a body like Bashi, stay off some more Southern fried food. Nah, I'm doing some stuff. Won't be home. Ramadan Mubarak in advance. Yeah, Ramadan Mubarak to you, but I'm not gonna be fasting. The one crap thing about trading London, bro, is because of my sleeping pattern and stuff like that. Bro, last Ramadan, bro, knocked me for 6. It took me 3 months, bro, to fix my sleeping pattern so I could start trading again. I'm not doing that again. I'm not doing it. Give me 1-2 years, yeah, of no Ramadan so I can make money, and then after that I'll do all the Ramadans. Guess Eid will be on Thursday and Friday. I don't know. Depends on the moon, innit? I don't like Eid. I sound bare anti-Muslim right now, but I don't like Eid or Ramadan. It's so traumatic, bro. Flipping hell, I hate it. Focus on passing an account by Eid, you can get it done. Bro, don't say that to the guy. He's gonna end up trying to full port it in a day and be like, yeah, I'm funded, bro. I've had 10 payouts since then. Well, I think what he means to say is just focus on getting consistent or getting profitable is what he means. Focus on getting profitable and then yeah. That's what he means. Just focus on getting profitable and then we can look at consistency afterwards, yeah? That's nice of you to say, Mwangi. Do you trade futures? Mwangi, you should do fasting as well, bro. It's good. The reason I'm not going to do is because our trade London Open is going to mess up my sleeping pattern and stuff like that. That's the only reason why. Otherwise, I would have. Bro, with master signals, you pass in one trade, lad. depending how much you risk anyway. That GU trade, bro, if you'd have done 1% risk, you would have been up about 8 or 9% on the account when I worked out after everything. And if you would have done 0.5% risk, you would have been up around 4-5%, 4.5%, just on a 0.5% risk, or about 8-ish% on a 1% risk. It's good. And I'm trying to stay away from scalping now. I have learned I risk 400 per trade on futures. What percent is that? What percent is that? Because you gotta look at your drawdown and stuff as well, innit? Also, are you gonna go sleep? Don't want to keep you awake, innit, if you're supposed to go to sleep. I was gonna knock all the accounts off then, because obviously there's no trade, so knock them all off. But you know how you said earlier on that you're so close to passing and then you blew the account? Bro, I was literally so close to getting funded, yeah? After a trade I took, I was like 0.4% away, and I had to wait like literally 2 or 3 weeks for a trade. That was a break even. And then I had to wait another 2-3 weeks for a trade, bro. And then boom, I just managed to catch a TP. And basically I just rolled it straight into profit once I was in that level, in it. Like I just closed it straight away. So how do you think I felt in it? But I didn't do what most people do and just try to get greedy and pass ASAP in it, because that's what happens, bro. It happens bad to people. They get right near funded and then boom, they blow the account. Look, no account now over 2 weeks. On 25k account, you have to make 100 per day on Lucid. Nah, I won't sleep till New York is done. Daily drawdown on 50k is 1000. So what percent is that? 1%, 2%, 2.4%. 2.4% drawdown, and you're risking 400, which is about 0.8%. .8% okay, it's under 1% in, and you're experienced anyway. Obviously, Haroon's not experienced, so he needs more time. It seems to be very similar to TradingView, like from what I've seen. But this is what I'm saying. If you want Haroon, just get a demo account in it. That's what I'm gonna do. If I was to ever go futures, I'll get a demo account, trade it for like 1 or 2 days, check how the limits work, the lot sizes work, the risk works, and I learn all that stuff. If I'm happy with it, then I'll just go pattern an account in it. Because there's no point patterning an account if you can't even trade it. You just get the demo if they offer a demo, and then just use it for like 1 day, 2 days, and then just get the account in it. Easy. It's safer that way. Just trade directly on TradingView chart. Yeah, listen to Bashi, test demo first if they have. Yeah, good idea, man. Honestly, just test demo and then like sort everything out, make sure you're comfortable with it, and if you're comfortable, then get the account in it. But Haroon, if you're not profitable yet, then you probably want to study a bit more and backtest a bit more, innit? You can obviously follow my trades and stuff like that, but my patience and perseverance is fine. I don't know if you can handle that. And ultimately, when I stop streaming, then what are you gonna do then? Because I'm only streaming for 1 year, that's all. Just to like prove credibility of like 1 year's worth of streamings, that's all, to be fair. I don't plan to be streaming every day for like 3, 4, 5 years. Can't be asked with that, man. Bare long. That is so funny. I see something absolutely hilarious, bro. One guy, yeah, in the Discord basically said, yeah, oh god, that is hilarious. So one of the guys basically said, I got my interview with Quantecal, yeah, can I trade 30 minutes before the interview? One guy goes, why would you try to trade before the interview? Another guy commented saying, brother, he wants to trade during the interview. That is so funny, bro, I swear down. What a tattoo, bro. What's he want to do? Trade during the interview and blow the account? Bro, just imagine, yeah, he's in a trade during the interview and then he loses the account. They'd be like, listen, we're done, mate. Peace out, bye. What a funny guy, bro, I swear down. Sometimes you see some proper characters, man, I swear. Proper characters. I know aim is to go slow now. Bashi, are you in your 20s? I forgot if I had asked you. No, bro, I'm 33, man. I'm old school. Had the fast trading fun at first, then watching flow accounts. I'll change my mindset. Obviously, having a little urge here and there. Yeah, obviously, because you're nitty, innit, lad? You're bloody nitty, lad. Nah, that was so funny, man. I need to look at that comment again. It was so good. I'll show it to you guys. It is so funny, man. So bloody funny. There, the way it is. Now put it in the Discord. Look at that, man. That's so flipping hilarious. I put it in the Discord, like, that is so funny, bro. I swear, I couldn't even handle it. Oh god. I swear all brain rot TikTok kids trading thinking they're gonna be millionaires. Bro, they're proper dumb, man, I swear. Proper dumb. They're so dumb. Like, you know, trading trading should not be for kids, honestly. Like, it should be for adults. You should have an age requirement, like 30 plus. And they should have an age requirement, man. I mean, look at this. He wants to trade during the interview. I just can't handle it, bro. I just can't handle it. I really want to reply saying, just imagine during the interview if he says, can you give me one moment, I'm executing. Just imagine, bro. He says to the interviewer, listen, hold on 1 second, I need to execute. Just imagine, bro. I swear, imagine. I agree, change up the age limit. Yeah, 100%. You need a sense of maturity and a sense of understanding, because you know how in casinos, yeah, you have to be a certain age, bro. This is exactly the same, bro. It's exactly the same. The only thing setting you apart from doing gambling is the fact that do you actually have a trading plan and do you follow it? Like how Haroon's done it and Yaya's done it, they've been gambling, so they're going to be sinful for that. If you used to actually be serious about it, like, you know, proper follow, like, say, like, be serious, then they're actually doing haram. You see what I'm saying? So because of that, they should have an age limit in it, yes, to say like at least 25 or at least 30, because at that point you have a bit more maturity and patience behind you, innit? You don't have the mentality of get rich quick, because you know at that age, bro, nothing happens like that. It takes time. That's why I'm so surprised when Yahya does gambling, bro, because he's Islamically educated. Bro, I'm in 30s. What are you talking about? You're freaking 18 or something. I swear you told me you're like 18 or something. It's not about age. You shut up, yeah. Sit back down. Put you in a timeout for 3 minutes, yeah. Chill. It's experience. Yeah, it is experience, but it's also about maturity, innit? And Irene is 18 on Epstein. So hard, bro. You just catch me up there, man. It's funny. Like, I'm not even ready for it, because I'm not trying to be serious, yeah. And then he just comes out with like some proper dirty, low-key ones. Oh god. Oh man. What do you mean? He's boys with Epstein. He's boys with Epstein. Him and BB are like besties, mate. Basically, whenever there's a violation happening, Saad was spreading cheeks so the entry could occur. That's why he calls him the dick analyst, innit? He's analyzing the invitation and the excursion. My name was redacted on the doc. Yeah, it was, of course. Yeah, you had to, obviously, you chat to BB sorted you out, innit? You're like, baby, I need a bit of help. Oh god. I can't handle people sometimes. Too funny. Right, okay, I bet. How long have you been profitable? Are you talking about Sahad? He only just went to Lucid, didn't he? Because he had issues with the Top Step. And now Top Step's okay. So I think he just went to Lucid to try him out. One year and 7 months. When did you start trading? 1 year and 8 months. Traded for 2 years. So it took man about 5 months to start making money. That's good, you know. Higher time frames easy, bro. I think, you know, on high time frame, it should be about 5 months, to be honest. I think that's kind of like, if you're a quick learner, I think you should start making money in about 5-6 months, to be fair, because it's so easy on 4-hour time frame. M15 is way harder, but you get more opportunities to gather data and experience in the market, which is a double-edged sword, because some people can't hack it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, high time frame is easy. Yeah, that's one thing I realized, bro. You know, in my opinion, yeah, this might be a harsh opinion. If you trade 4-hour and you've been doing it for 6 months, or let's say 2 years, and it's still not profitable, bro, you are a shit trader. That's my opinion. Like, for people who trade 4-hour, because I know people have been trading for like 3-4 years, bro, and they still can't make money. Like, it's flipping hell. Like, you have to be an exceptionally shit trader to like not be profitable on the 4-hour chart. On the 1 minute chart, you have to be exceptionally talented. 5-minute chart, same. M15, not really, just have to be a good trader for M15, M30. Like, just have to be quite stout as a trader on M15, M30. I think 1 hour is a good time frame. 1 hour is a good time frame. You can swing on it and trade low time frame at the same time, kind of. 4 hours is swing. Yeah, that's what I mean. I can't hold that long. Yeah, it is difficult. Like, when I did those silver trades, bro, and I was holding them overnight, yeah, I felt very uncomfortable. Low time frames, like pro experienced traders, I'm slowly getting there. But I'm already pro experienced, man. But then remember, my whole time has been on M1. Like, all of my pretty much 1 year worth of trading has been on M1 every single day, pretty much. So yeah, it's not bad. We set tomorrow, Bashi, is a video. Oh yes, Sahad, are we still gonna do the video tomorrow? For the options video. Thanks for asking me, Wangi. I would have completely forgot, you know. To be honest, when I trade 4-hour, I'm in and out in session, so technically I'm not. Oh, okay, that's interesting. So do you basically trade the 4-hour candle itself? Or like the next candle being printed or something like that? I don't. We need to look at what times we're gonna do it. Because I was thinking like 1 or 2 o'clock PM. So that full candle. So wait. So what do you do? So the candle before the New York Stock Open, when the New York Stock Open happens, do you wait for that candle to close, or do you trade that candle? How does it work? 2 PM UK time's okay with me. What about you, Moangi? And how far ahead of you from UK is 6 hours or 8 hours? I think you're same time as Malaysia and stuff, aren't you? I think you're same time as Malaysia and stuff, innit? I think. 2 PM UK time is what I'm thinking. When New York session opens, the 4-hour candle needs to close and has to be at a key level. If so, next new candle needs to flip for my entry. Okay. It'll be like 1 AM for me. Okay, I can do earlier. Saturday, bro. I can do earlier, no problem. Because it's about 1 hour and 10-minute video anyway. So you probably want about 1.5 hours to just sit and learn, innit? So we can do earlier, that's fine. And we can do like 8, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. I don't mind. It's just wherever you and Mwangi are going to be able to watch it together, innit? Yeah, okay. So 2 p.m.'s one. Wait, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11 hours. I didn't realize 11 hours. I thought it was like 8, 9 hours ahead, like similar to Malaysia and stuff, like Asia time zone. What? So if I was to do 10 o'clock, it would be 11 p.m. for you. 11 p.m. isn't bad. If I was to do 9 o'clock, it'll be 10. I suppose we could do like 9, 10, like 9, 10 in the morning UK time, because that'll be like 10, 11 o'clock for you. And Mwangi's on the stream anyway. UK is 3 hours back. Okay. So if it's to do 9 o'clock UK time, it'll be 10, 11, 12 in Kenya. And it will be 10 in Australia. What do you reckon to that then? 10 o'clock Australia time and 12 o'clock Kenya time. It'll probably be just us three anyway. Unless the others want to join. So 10 p.m. Aussie, 12 p.m. Kenya. Uh, 10 UK would be, so 10 UK equals 11 Aussie and 1 Kenya. And then obviously 9 a.m. is going to be 10 Aussie and 12 Kenya. Might be easier for Haroon as well, actually. Actually, no, Haroon was here about 9 o'clock actually, so 9 might be 8, 9 or 10 might be alright for Haroon then, if you wanted to join. We're gonna watch a video on options. It's a 1 hour and 10-minute video. It's like a crash course apparently. Got it for free. Yeah, it's gonna be either 9 or 10 o'clock UK time. Depends what Mwangi and Sahad end up doing about it. Nah, it'd be in Discord. As long as I'm not out, I should be good. Okay, then that's fine. I'll message in the Discord in the morning then, like 8 o'clock or something like that, 8, half 8 or something. I'll see what you guys are saying and then we'll get it done. I'll try and stream it on the new computer, innit? Because it's gonna come today for about 4 till 10 today. So I'll try and get everything done on that computer, everything installed, downloaded, everything, and then I'll probably watch it on there. Yeah, well, I'll message in the Discord then about 8 in the morning, half 8 in the morning. Yeah, of course, yeah. I just thought I'm gonna watch it anyway. I might as well tell you guys, if you guys want to watch it, then it might be worth it, innit, for you guys as well, I suppose. Alright then. I'll probably cut the stream here then if you guys have got nothing else you want to talk about, because it's half 10, man. It's 10:35 and obviously I'm not gonna trade now anyways. I bring see you then. Yeah, that's fine. If you do trade New York, be careful. Obviously CPI. I am gonna trade New York, I think, in case there is a move. Listen, yes. Allah, help. Help. But she can be started. Yo, relax, mate, relax. Mangi's the male cast. Anyway, yeah, I'll message you guys in the morning, and if you trade New York, just be careful of CPI. Yeah, peace out, Mangi. Alright then, see you later, Sahad, Haroon. Make sure you hit like if you haven't hit like. I appreciate it. That's it, we're done, innit? I think we're done, lads. Oh shoot, I can't find the comment. What the thingy? Adios a todos. Lotion. Wangi. Latest, boys. Take it easy. Be careful of New York, yeah? Drop that there and then drop the Discord there. I need to clean the Discord out as well. I think you got bare bots in there. Alright, lads. San. Bye.